If you guys want to see how I made this delicious shrimp crayfish tail chow mein, you just continue to watch this video. This right here, guys, will be the best takeout you'll ever have. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned for the video. Hi guys, this is Jody Cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some shrimp crayfish chow mein. Yeah, so that's my shrimp there. That's 2 pack of shrimp and that's just 1 pack of crayfish. These are all of my seasoning. I have Chinese 5 spice, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, and Cajun seasoning, and it's 1 teaspoon. Okay, so first you want to add 1 spoonful of olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil, and the reason why I add the oil is because the seasoning can stick on the shrimp and on the crayfish, so that's the reason why I had it. So now you're just gonna blend all of your seasoning together. Just make sure everything is all combined. So after you blend all of your seasoning, now you're gonna sprinkle some of your seasoning on your seafood. Do not use all of your seasoning, okay? Then you wanna give it a stir. You can always use your hands, okay? Just make sure everything is all combined. So my shrimp crayfish tail is all seasoning and that's what it look like. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. So these are some of my other ingredients. Here I have some bell peppers, as you can see all the colors. I have 1 onions and I also have some spring onions. So here I also have 3 cloves of garlic and just a bit of ginger. And I also have 4 spoons of hoisin sauce. And I'm also gonna add some dark soya sauce. And that's 2 spoonfuls, okay? And 1 pack of egg noodle. You can also use spaghetti also, but I prefer to use the egg noodle. So in my frying pot there guys, I add at least 5 spoonfuls of vegetable oil. Just make sure your oil is hot. So now I'm just adding my shrimp and my crayfish tail. And you're just gonna allow it to saute guys for at least 3 minutes just for it to get some colored. No longer than that, okay? I'm just gonna give it a stir. So after 3 minutes, that's what it look like. As you can see, it is nice and brown, and that's exactly how you want it. Now I'm just gonna take my bowl and I'm just gonna remove it. Guys, I'm telling you, it smells so good. So that same pot that I use for my shrimp and my crayfish, now I'm just gonna add my garlic and my ginger to it. And I'm also gonna add my onions and some of my bell peppers, okay? And I'm gonna also add some of my spring onions. And guys, you just wanna allow it to saute for at least 2 minutes. Yeah. Give it a stir. I'm telling you, the smell coming from that pot right now is amazing. You could smell the ginger, the garlic, everything just so good, guys. It smells amazing. So while my vegetable is sauteing, now I just add my egg noodle to my pot, and I also add some salt and just some vegetable oil. And you're just gonna allow it, guys, to cook for at least 8 minutes, okay? No longer than that. On a low to medium heat. So my vegetable is all sauté. So now I'm gonna add a quarter cup of hot water to my pot, okay? And I'm gonna also add my remaining seasoning that's left. Give it a stir. So now I'm gonna add my oyster sauce, and I'm gonna also add my dark soya sauce. Now I'm adding my dark soya sauce. You can always taste your liking. I'm gonna also add 1 spoon of white sugar, and I'm also gonna add 1 spoon of ketchup. So after you add your ketchup, you want to give it a stir. Just make sure everything is all combined. So this is the fun part. Now I'm adding my noodles. So after 3 minutes, make sure you had your noodle, guys, okay? Then you want to take a fork or whatever you have, and you just want to mix it all in. So all that noodle soak right in that delicious yummy sauce. Isn't that look amazing, guys? I'm telling you, after you watch this video, do not go back to any Chinese shop, because this right here is the real deal. I'm telling you guys, this is absolutely delicious. This recipe is a must try. Add in the rest of my bell peppers and my spring onions. I'm gonna add some more of my hoisin sauce. I'm gonna add at least 1 spoonful, okay? So now I'm adding my shrimp and my crayfish tail, finally. Then you want to give it a stir. Make sure all your shrimp, all your crayfish is all mixed right in your noodle, okay? So after you mix it all in, you just want to leave it for at least 1 minute, okay? And it is finished. So after 1 minute, that's what it look like. Guys, I'm telling you, it looks so yummy. I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate, okay? Giving you guys a close-up look on how yummy and how delicious it look. So now I'm just gonna plate it up. Guys, if you do enjoy this video, please share it to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I would really appreciate all your support. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for many more delicious videos like these. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, okay? And hit that notification button so you can receive more delicious videos like these. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Stay blessed. Be happy, okay?